You've been doing pull-ups for years. You grab the bar, pull yourself up, and count the rep. But what if I told you that one small mistake could be stopping your back from growing? If you feel pull-ups more in your shoulders than your lats, there's a good chance you're doing them wrong. Today, I'll show you the simple fix that can completely change how your pull-ups feel. Most people treat pull-ups like a race. They swing their body, use momentum, and shrug their shoulders all the way up toward their ears. When this happens, your upper traps start doing more work, while your lats, the muscles responsible for that wide V-shaped back, become less effective. That's why many people can do pull-ups for months or even years without seeing the back development they expected. And if you're constantly feeling discomfort in your shoulders during pull-ups, poor shoulder positioning could be part of the problem. The secret isn't pulling harder. The secret is setting your shoulders correctly before every rep. Before you bend your elbows, think about pulling your shoulders down away from your ears. Imagine trying to place your shoulder blades into your back pockets. This movement is called scapular depression, and it's one of the most important parts of a strong pull-up. If your shoulders are shrugged up, you already lost tension where you need it most. Try this. Hang from the bar with your arms completely straight. Now, without bending your elbows, pull your shoulders down and slightly back. You should feel tension underneath your armpits and along the sides of your back. That's your lats activating. Once you feel that tension, keep it. Now begin the pull-up by driving your elbows down toward your hips. Don't think about pulling with your hands. Think about moving your elbows. This simple cue helps many people engage their lats much more effectively. The next time you train pull-ups, forget about chasing big numbers. Instead of 10 sloppy reps, perform 5 controlled reps with proper shoulder positioning. Move slowly, stay tight, keep your shoulders down throughout the movement. You may notice your lats working harder almost immediately. Master this technique first, then build strength on top of it. Because the best pull-up isn't the one with the most reps, it's the one that trains the right muscles. Train smarter, and your back will thank you for it.